Hello and welcome to
Butler.Head.Quarters,
and today we are going to do our first mod.
and we have purchased an EGR-Delete from EGR-Delete, a company on eBay.
Yeah.
It was that,
And yeah, you just look at the quality. Yeah, and there is the kit.
quite simple, quite effective. Now I just want to that's a bit of kit, and obviously it's got seals, bungs,
Gaskets and bungs and the
everything
nuts.
you need to delete your EGR. So what you want to do, sorry about the wind, I have got a dead cat on me, but it's still, the wind seems to get through. You want to find your boost pipe, your inlet pipe, and you want to unremove these two clamps, like so. Dad's been flooding the exhaust section with GT85,
Which does do a good job.
and now we're not sponsored.
No, and they're not sponsored.
I wish we was, how much we use for stuff like that. So you want to undo rubber pipe. Like so. Now once you put your flat screws on, you can find it again. You need to remove or find this. This is your EGR valve. Disconnect the vacuum. Put that away. You then need to loosen these. There's two there and two there. Unloosen them. So with the mounting bolts removed, it's time to remove these two bolts that connect the pipe to the valve. See what the Iron Man is like first hand for everybody as we see it. Uses some road state I'm into. It's off now, Pat.
It is off.
In all fairness, it's not as bad as I've seen.
And the reason that is because on its invoices in March this year, the valve was cleaned out.
In there, so nothing enters the engine. Now we've got to remove this side. So now it's all about gaining access on this point here.
It is now, yeah.
So I'm going to remove your air ducting. I think this is going to have to come off, but
Yeah, the water, yeah.
that's a
That's it, yeah.
flat.
Flat,
Disconnect the wires up, rolling plane.
yeah, just like so. Yeah.
Match up.
Just get there, which auto.
It's a good seal. So as you can see, we've got some more room now, but this is still going to be
Pretty tight.
pretty tight. We want to get to down here.
Oh, I can see it.
So we're going to give it another spray.
Yeah.
While you're waiting for your penetrating fluid to work on your manifold, good time to fit this. There's a black seal in there, Pop.
Here is a black seal.
As you do, I'll drop this in the engine bay.
How is it?
Once all these are done up, in a start pattern, so start on that one, done that one, back one, back one, and start to have the gaskets flush. Then you want to find your boost pipe, get that back on right off, just check, make sure it looks alright.
So
for a better LCD points, make sure the VAs match up as well. Dad's took up the spanner on me, Sonny's. I'll do it. So go on, Pop.
Well, I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna regret that in about 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Take it nice and easy. Feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? You feel it? It's basically the same as what's here.
Yeah.
I'm getting over, Pop. So I'm going to do peeps there. From loose now, I'm going to spray some more lubricating.
Yeah, to fetch them off, and then
I'm doing that because you don't want to be snapping bolts there.
fine, and
The bum.
peripherals.
So we're on my last bolt now, Pop.
We are indeed.
Yeah, we've been soaking that bit over for since Tuesday, have we, Pop?
Tuesday, yeah. Yeah, and
It helped.
it has helped. It is. So it is now disconnected from the manifold.
So spray some penetrating fluid and you'll see where the EGR pipe runs across. There's a bracket down there over, Pop.
There is, yeah.
With a 10mm bolt.
10mm
That
bolt.
needs to be underneath. Yeah. 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 Just need to quick wiggle.
Wiggle. Take care of this off.
It's 3 hex fixings out, Pop, and just come now. That's it.
So with the air filter cover removed, yeah, it should give us access to, well, it will do, like that.
That's it.
And then we can jiggly wiggly and ours if that wore on to the
Don't need to come out.
yeah, it needs to come off, right? Yeah.
So take away from this, don't fit your boost pipe back on until
Before
that point.
So with a bit of iggly wiggly and a bit of still a bit of
Literally that pipe's the hardest part of the job so far. If you something
let's just pull that one.
That's it.
Sorted. We've got a nice gasket and
a blank in place.
a blanking and a gasket, and we've got shorter studs
With pressure washers on.
with yeah
Auckland pressure
yeah,
washers. Spring washers. Pressure washers.
spring. Just gonna get me feeling.
Now, the benefit of this is your turbo is supposed to spool quicker, you're supposed to get better miles per gallon, and it's better for your engine because it ain't pumping burn exhaust gases back into your engine. So it'll make the engine a lot cleaner and it'll last longer, better for the engine. There is it, Pop. And you got the feelings.
Right, I got the feeling. I'm still turning, which is now on, and it's
And that is how you fit an EGR-Delete.
and as you can see, it's been done after work, so
It's been done after work. We finished started about 7, did we?
yeah, about 7.
We did drop a bolt into the bottom, that's why it does look a bit dark when it did that before. But it's now great.
Arch-up, is it?
No,
now?
it's I think that system was $27.99
Yeah,
and it was delivered the next day.
that's which is.
It was like, basically, come south, I wasn't even prepared and I missed it the first day. We don't think it'd come back quick. And it's, the company is EGR-Delete.
And It is good quality.
And without to open any holes up or make anything bigger or bodge in any way, it just fits straight on.
Also, we paid for it.
And we paid for it as well.
Yeah.
Everything's back on now, so we give her a start.
And there she goes.
And one thing we forgot to do, the pipe on the EGR valve
Oh, it has to be blanked off.
has to be blanked off, and there's a little yellow clip in the thing, and the pipe, the back pipe that goes onto the dome, when you pull it off at the start, remember, you just have to blank back with the yellow bit that comes here. So I'd like to say, I'd like to close up now and say, come back to us next time because we'll be fixing a K&M air filter.
We will, 80 style.
And we'll be showing you how to that and any gains and all that malarkey.
And also, it will be in the daylight.
In the daylight. It'll be tomorrow morning, really. But thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.